Later today is day one of the first VIP PBT in-person retreat. So excited I couldn't even sleep. And I thought about each of our attendees who are going to be there, and I thought about, what's the one characteristic they all have. And you know what it is? It's willingness. It's willingness to do something different, willingness to go above and beyond, willingness to go past their comfort zone to see what's there. See, everything they've done got them to a certain place, and they know it's going to take something a little bit different to break through this next level of fear or limitation or whatever's holding them back. This is the reason why so many people stay in stage 3 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. They keep doing the same thing and, of course, keep getting the same results. They want stage 4 and stage 5, which is where transformation begins, stage 4. But unless you're willing to do something different, you cannot expect anything different. So willingness is one of the biggest words to think about when it comes to your transformation. So think about it. What are you willing to do differently? What are you willing to let go of? What are you willing to embrace? It's got to be something different to have something different. I hope that helps. Transformation is on the way when you are willing to let go of the old in order to embrace the new. I hope that helps. Follow for more.